Chris Chinnock here for the 8K monitor. I'm in the HYPHY booth here at DisplayWeek 2022, and they are showing a new compression technology that they claim can reduce the video bandwidth by up to 10 times. And in particular, the problem that they are trying to solve is actually in large area displays, particularly large area 8K displays. When a signal comes in, an 8K signal comes in over HDMI or an internet interface, broadband interface, it goes first to from the HDMI to to an SoC, which separates the various audio and video components, and then it has to be transferred from the SoC to the TCON, which sits somewhere on the panel, and then from the TCON it has to go to the source drivers that sit on the panel. The problem is, according to HYPHY, and the panel makers have told them that that is takes a lot of cables, and because of the data rates for 8K at high frequency, it's very challenging and very expensive. So today, the interface from the SoC to the TCON, the timing and controller box, is V by 1, and then it goes LVDS from the TCON up to the source drivers. With their solution, they would replace that all with, uh, uh, they would reduce the number of wires that would have to do that and lower that data rate by about 10 times. So they cannot show an 8K demo yet. They're still working on the silicon to do that. But what they're showing here is a demo. This is a 1080p demo, so it's not 8K. Obviously, 4K is on the roadmap next, and then 8K. So in this demo, they're taking a video signal over HDMI, which comes into their FPGA here. It is then encoded using this SSVT, which is Spread Spectrum Video Transform. I won't go into the details of exactly how that works because I don't quite understand it yet either. But the idea is you take 6 pairs running at 1.5 gigabits per second over HDMI, and with their SSVT transform, it comes out here at 2 lanes running at 300 megahertz. So a tremendous reduction in bandwidth. And this idea here is that how you get rid of some of that problem in the back of these large area 8K TVs. You reduce that bandwidth and it simplifies the wiring problem. So from a business point of view, they would like to integrate their encoding technology into the SoC, into the TCON eventually, but there might be some modules that would do that in the interim until those are integrated directly into those silicon cores. So HYPHY has joined the 8K Association, and I'm sure we'll be hearing more about what they can do in the near future. Chris Jenock for the 8K Monitor.